Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 Escape SE in Oxford White, grey cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine, and it's an all-wheel drive. It also has an automatic transmission. It has the Ford Co-Pilot Assist, which includes voice-activated navigation, as well as cruise control that's adaptive with stop and go, reverse camera, and it's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have this nice gray flock design that's cloth. The lighting controls are located here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it is your adaptive cruise control with stop and go, volume control, your menu, as well as hands-free dialing. There's also lane keeping on the toggle switch to the left. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, and you can toggle through the menu simply by pushing the menu button and then toggling up and down. Trip 1, trip 2, reset all values, configure view, and back around again, and they each have submenus. In the center is our display screen. You can touch on it, so our audio, whoops, let's turn that down. Sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You have your voice-activated navigation and touch screen, and as well, when we put the vehicle in reverse, you can see your backup camera view. There you go. You can go into your settings, slide through for different options, and you have Wi-Fi, automatic updates, Apple CarPlay, and so forth. There's your volume and tuner, hazard lights. Down below is the fan. You're seeing the digital display, heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as the AC and max AC. You also have your front and rear defrost. Down below, USB and USB-C, plus a 12 volt. There's a little room to put items here. As well, you have a couple of cup holders, dial shifter, electronic parking brake, auto hold. So if you're on a hill or if you are towing, this comes in handy. You can hold yourself in place. And with the drive mode, you press that and then toggle. It'll appear on the dash, normal. Let's do that again. Eco, sport, slippery, snow, sand, and back around again. And then you have auto stop start for less idle time. The armrest opens up, lots of room in there to put items. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above, you have a manually dimming rear view mirror. Your lighting controls are located here, sunglass holder, and grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. You also have keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. In the back, there's a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and below the escape badge is where your backup camera is located. You also have dual exhaust. And then when you're ready to open up that hatch, simply put your hand in the latch underneath, push the button, and it opens easily. Inside, nice and roomy, and you're seeing the all-weather mats that are the tray style. They keep everything clean back there and keep everything. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. In the back, there's a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper. Below the escape badge is your backup camera, dual exhaust. And when you're ready to open up that hatch, you simply put your hand in the latch underneath. There's a little button in the center there. Just press that, opens easily. Got lots of room back here, and you're seeing the carpeted and all-weather mats, and these are tray style, so it keeps everything contained. Off to the side, you have a light. On the left-hand side, there's a 12 volt. And then when you're ready to close it all up, there's a handle to the right. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and it's now securely closed. And then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and you easily pull the lever at the base, and that'll bring the seat down. You now have access to the back cargo area, and you're seeing your extra mats there. On the back of the seat is the tether to be able to tether baby seats. And then you just flip the seat back up into the upright position. I'm really loving the flock design that they came out with. As well, there's a bar underneath the seat, so that allows you to slide it forwards and backwards. Easier access to the back, but also gives you more leg or cargo room. And you have slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, air vents. Down below, USB and USB-C. Up above, handles, hooks, and lighting. Privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.